Want to find TikTok accounts using phone numbers or your contacts? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to discover friends on TikTok step by step on iPhone. First, open TikTok on your iPhone and go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, go into Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy. In some older iOS or TikTok versions, this menu may look slightly different or appear in another section, so just check carefully. In my device, it directly shows Contacts and Location under Preferences, so I'll tap on it. But on your device, it may appear inside the Privacy section, depending on the version. Now tap on the option where Contacts or Sync settings are available. Turn this option on. If prompted, tap Open Settings and allow contact access. After that, find Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Make sure your contact's permission is enabled so TikTok can properly access your phone book. Now go back to your TikTok profile and tap on Add Friends. If you don't see it, go to the following section instead. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner, and you'll find the option there. Here, you'll start seeing suggestions from your contact list, including people who are already using TikTok with their phone numbers. You can also refresh the page to update more results from your contacts. And that's how you can find TikTok accounts using your phone contacts on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok growth and social media tips.